Why won't my Trane furnace pilot light stay lit?
Hello everyone. We're going to discuss a common problem today. Why your Trane furnace pilot light might not be staying lit. The pilot light is a small flame that is used to ignite the main furnace burners, and if it's not functioning properly, your furnace can't heat your home.
What are the common causes?
There are a few common issues that might cause your pilot light to go out. 1. Faulty thermocouple. The thermocouple is a safety device that shuts off the gas if it senses that the pilot light has gone out. If it's faulty, it might be shutting off the gas even when the pilot light is on. 2. Dirty pilot orifice. If the pilot orifice, the opening through which the gas flows to the pilot light, is dirty or clogged, the gas supply can be inconsistent, causing the pilot light to go out. 3. Drafts. Strong drafts can blow out the pilot light, especially if the furnace is located in a windy area or if the furnace cover is not secure.
How can I fix these issues?
Here's how you might address each of these problems. 1. Replacing a faulty thermocouple. If the thermocouple is the problem, it will likely need to be replaced. This is a task that you may be able to handle yourself, but it might be best to contact a professional to ensure it's done correctly. 2. Cleaning the pilot orifice. To clean the pilot orifice, you'll need to turn off the gas to your furnace, remove the pilot light assembly, and carefully clean the orifice with a needle or compressed air. Make sure to be gentle to avoid damaging the assembly. 3. Eliminating drafts. If drafts are causing your pilot light to go out, try to identify the source of the draft and eliminate it if possible. This could involve securing the furnace cover, sealing any gaps around doors or windows, or relocating the furnace if it's in a particularly drafty location.
When should I call a professional?
If you've tried the solutions above and your pilot light still won't stay lit, it's probably time to call a professional. Other potential issues could include a faulty gas valve or a problem with the furnace's control board, which are complex and potentially dangerous to fix without the proper training and tools. So there you have it, some common reasons why your Trane furnace pilot light might not stay lit and some solutions to try. Remember, safety should always be your primary concern, so if you're unsure about performing any of these tasks, don't hesitate to call a professional. We hope this video has been helpful and you'll be back in a warm and cozy home in no time.